Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into smart income. Today, we're diving into a simple, high-profit side hustle, offering AI-powered resume writing services. People are paying significant money for resumes that I can help you create in under 10 minutes. I'm going to give you the exact workflow to start offering this service right away, even if you've never written a resume before. This side hustle works incredibly well as a beginner option. The demand is constant because hiring never stops. Clients simply want a professional, clean document, and AI makes the process faster, cleaner, and more professional than doing it yourself. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr regularly charge between $25 and $150 for a single resume. With this AI workflow, you can complete several in a single day. You only need 3 free tools: ChatGPT or Claude for rewriting and generating content, Canva for formatting, and Grammarly for the final polish. Now that you know the tools, let's look at where to find clients and how to set up your service to attract them. You can find clients on marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, or directly in job seeker groups on Facebook and LinkedIn. Use a compelling description for your gig or landing page, focusing on professional rewriting, ATS friendliness, fast delivery, and industry tailoring. Let's walk through the exact steps of the AI workflow, starting with the initial full rewrite. Once an order is placed, collect 3 simple things: their current resume or job history, the job title they're targeting, and any achievements they want highlighted. Then, paste their information into ChatGPT with this prompt. Rewrite this resume to be ATS-friendly, professional, and results-driven. Use clear action verbs. Tailor the tone toward the job title. Insert job title. Here is the resume. Paste. After the initial rewrite, the next step is to upgrade each bullet point to truly stand out. Use this prompt to automatically transform weak descriptions into powerful, accomplishment-focused bullets. Rewrite these resume bullets using strong action verbs and metrics. If metrics don't exist, infer reasonable ones based on typical responsibilities. With the content polished by AI, it's time to format and deliver the final product professionally. Head over to Canva, search for resume, and choose a modern, minimal design. Replace the placeholder text with your polished AI-generated version. Export one version as a PDF and another as a Word document, as many job portals require the Word file type. The real profit lies in smart pricing and easy upsells, like matching cover letters and LinkedIn profile rewrites. You can charge more for packages that include a cover letter or a LinkedIn profile rewrite. LinkedIn profiles are an easy upsell because AI does most of the work quickly. For the LinkedIn About section, use this prompt. Rewrite this LinkedIn About section to be keyword-rich, professional, and achievement-focused. Tailor it to job title. Deliver both PDF and Word versions, and include a simple note explaining your improvements. Add a free revision and this line to boost reviews. If you land an interview, message me. I'll refresh your cover letter for free. Small touches build trust and bring repeat customers, launching your fast, simple, and profitable AI resume writing side hustle.